Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Discord account was hacked and how to get it back step by step. Act fast and follow these steps exactly. So the first thing that I would recommend is by logging into your app on your Discord, whether it's on phone or desktop. Go ahead and hit forget password. If that doesn't work, here's my solution. Go open up your browser right here and then type in help center Discord. Once the page shows up, go ahead and click on the first official Discord support link. This is the official one. Go ahead and click it. And on this page, go ahead and click on submit a request on top. Over here, you will do need to sign in to any other account. It doesn't have to be the hacked one. Just have to sign in with another Discord account. Go ahead and sign in. Sign in just like this. So once you sign in, you will be able to submit a request. And for our case, it is hacked account. Go ahead and click on it and you will be redirected to fill up a form. In this page, go ahead and fill up all the form that you need here. Everything is important, so make sure that you have the correct details for your account. So for your associated Discord account, put your username, and the second one is actually optional, but I recommend putting in something with the email associated with the account before it was compromised. I'd recommend putting in with the most detail that you have so you can get the most chances of getting it back. With the suspicion of how you believe the account was compromised, just go ahead and put, I don't know, I'm not sure, but if you do, just go ahead and put in what you think it is. And as for the file, you can actually attach a file here, screenshots that your email was changed, your password was changed. You can go ahead and do some attachment, as this will have the more chance of getting your account back. This will be a 24 to 48 hours response from them, and no worries, you'll get your account back if you do have the information needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.